Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 3 internet business ideas that you can start today. These are 3 simple ideas and you can start them today. Now here's the thing. In this video, I'm not going to be telling you how to actually do each of these ideas. I'm not going to be going over a specific tutorial for setting each of them up. I'm going to tell you about the ideas. If you want it badly enough, you can research on your own and figure out how to actually start these things up, because that's how I did it. I went out and researched on my own. So if you want it badly enough, you can do the same thing too. All right, here are the 3 ideas. I'll tell you what the ideas are first, then I'll go over each of them in depth. Idea number 1 is start a YouTube channel. Idea number 2 is start a niche site. Idea number 3 is to start an email list. Okay, so what it comes down to is this. Number 1, starting a YouTube channel. If you have a camera, even if you have a cell phone with a camera, you can start a YouTube channel. Film videos about what you're passionate about. Film videos about what you like talking about. Film videos about what you're doing. When I first started this channel, my thoughts about this channel was, or I should say were, that I wanted to create a channel in which I was filming the house projects that I was doing. That's how I got the name Healthful DIY. It's the reason that I called it a DIY channel, because I wanted to do a lot of house DIY stuff. And then it progressed from there, but the point was I started a channel. Now I know what you're thinking. How is a YouTube channel an internet business? Well, a YouTube channel is online and it's a business because you can earn money from it. There are many ways to earn money, and I'm not going to go over each of them in this video, but there are a ton of ways that you can grow an audience on YouTube and then earn money through your channel and through that audience that you've grown on your channel. It's as simple as that. Like I said, if you want it badly enough, you'll go out and do some additional research. This is just here to give you a little head start, a little boost that you need. Moving forward to idea number 2, which is a niche site. Now, many people don't know this about me, but I actually have quite a few niche sites that are internet businesses for me. Now, what it is this. Let's say you have a passion for landscaping, and I'm just saying that because right now you can't really tell, but this is in my garage, and I'm just looking outside at my lawn over here, my grass, and I just realized that I actually have to turn the sprinkler on right now because it's sort of turning a little bit yellow because of the extreme heat that I went through recently. So with that being said, I gotta turn the sprinkler on. If I had a passion for landscaping, I could start a website about landscaping. And then on that website, I could write articles explaining tutorials and ideas and reviews about landscaping stuff and landscaping projects. And then you can make money through it through a wide variety of resources. You can place advertisements on the website. You can monetize it through affiliate links, where if someone, goes and buys a product through your link, you get a commission. You could sell an ebook on landscaping projects. You could sell an online course. There are so many ways to earn money through a niche site or a website. It can be a bigger website like an authority site. But the point is to get out there and create a website, and then the monetization is the easy part. Creating the website is the hardest part. Once you have that audience, you can monetize it in so many different ways. It's not even funny. All right, moving forward to the last internet business idea, and that is to grow an email list. Now you can actually do this using the other 2 ideas as well. You can grow an email list through your YouTube channel or through your website, or through a wide variety of other means. But the email list idea is this, and I'll get to the specifics in a moment, but the email list idea is this. You want to have people on your email list in which you can reach out to them via email about things that they're interested in. So let's say that you love books. So you're a huge book fan, right? And then you grow this email list of book lovers, okay? And make sure when you're growing your email list, you're doing all of the right things with regards to the legalities of it and doing it in the right way. You don't want to grow a spammy email list. You want to grow a legitimate email list. That's how it becomes a legitimate internet business. Make sure you're following all the rules, doing everything legally and so forth, right? You want to do everything the proper way. Let's say you have a book lovers email list. So you've collected 1,000 emails about people that love reading books, specifically the type of books that you like to read. And you have a website in which you on that website you're doing a monthly list of the top 10 books that you like in the horror genre. Let's say like you like horror movies and horror books, so you do a top 10 list every month. Every month you send out an email to that email list about your new post about your top 10 books. The people go to that post and then you monetize that post through advertisements, through affiliate links, and so forth. And it's as simple as that. Let's say, you actually are an affiliate for a course about speed reading. For book lovers, they might want to learn how to read faster, and you monetize that email list by promoting this course for speed reading to that email list. Or you create your own course. You create a 10 video course, 10 videos and a video course about speed reading, and you sell it to that email list. Like, there are so many ways. I can go over probably 500 ways to monetize an email list, maybe 500 ways to monetize a niche site, and maybe at least 15 to 20 ways to monetize a YouTube channel. But the point is, you gotta get out there and start it. I'm not gonna tell you how to go and start a channel, how to go and create a website, how to go and start an email list. You gotta do that yourself. I'm not here to show you how to do it and to hold your hand. I'm just here to give you that little push, like when you learn to ride a bike, that little push that you need, and then you're either gonna continue riding or you're gonna fall. That's up to you. But those are 3 internet business ideas that you can start today. Do some research, figure out how to actually get them going, and start them up today. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.